Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get a sprinkle of holiday magic. This is the Festive Chrome themes. So you can get it for free. You can access Chrome Web Store and go to the themes, search for this one, a sprinkle of holiday magic. So bring holiday cheers to your browser with Festive Chrome themes. So there are a ton of themes that you can try. Not a ton, but many themes like Christmas, Happy New Year theme that you can apply into your Chrome. For example, this one, winter holiday theme, and it's simple and replace your current Chrome tab with winter holiday theme. Click add to Chrome. So here we go. Now the theme is applied. As you can see, this is the theme. So you can easily uninstall it if you don't need it anymore. You can manage your extension, and here you can go to the settings, click on appearance, and here the theme winter holiday theme you can reset to default. Now you go back into the default one. So there are some themes that you can try. Beside the winter holiday theme, you can go with the Christmas. You can apply the Merry Christmas theme, Happy New Year theme, and so on. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and subscribe button below. See you in the next video.